Humble because I know there are senior conference, there are many conference, and it was a surprise to me when the news came to me. But I said, well, it is the Lord who chooses. So in humility, I accept and rely on the grace of God and the help of my conference and God's people, to discharge the duties and responsibilities that I'll be entrusted with as a leader of the local Christian community in the Vicariate of Donkokro. I would prefer not to talk too much about what I am going to do, because it is not a work that is left to one person alone. I am a leader, but I have to work with other people. I have to work with the priests and religious of the vicariate, and then also the Christian faithful, the Catholic faithful. And so we have to put our heads together, and I know the level of the faith will be one of the priority areas that will be touching how to step up, and help the people to grow in their faith. Socioeconomic development is also another issue. Family and marriage and family will be another area that will be very important to look at. But as I said, these are all things that one cannot do alone. I think communication plays a very important role in evangelization. You can think of different aspects of communication, the print media, internet, even WhatsApp, and many more. But these different aspects of the media could also be abused. And I think first and foremost, the importance of the media need to be highlighted. Then also the responsible use of the media needs to be highlighted. Sometimes people become so, especially the youth, the young generation becomes so excited that is it just for fun? Is it just for their selfish needs? But they are not responsible. Even priests, religious can also abuse the media. But I think the media has an important role to play in evangelization. With the media, you can reach thousands and millions of people at the same time. Areas that you may not be able to reach, the media will be able to help you to bring God's message to the people. So yes, media is very, very important. It's going to play a major role in my pastoral plan, my pastoral program, once I begin my work.